Okay, today we're going to be making some balsamic roasted shallot salad, which is inspired by Mary McCartney out of the Mary McCartney food cookbook, Vegetarian Home Cooking. Super cool. And we're preheating the oven to 350 degrees. We have our shallots right here. We've got 6 shallots, which is what the recipe calls for, and we are going to peel those. And we are going to throw them on the baking sheet. And we're going to arrange the shallots, drizzle it with balsamic vinegar and olive oil, and we're going to throw those into the oven. So
awesome. Is there anything in the oven currently?
There's nothing in the oven currently.
Oh, you're amazing. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, so I've peeled my shallots. I've got them ready to go, and I've cut those into pieces, and I'm going to arrange them on the baking sheet. Preheated to 350 degrees, and we are going to take our balsamic vinegar, and we're going to drizzle that balsamic just over the shallots. We're going to take our olive oil, add a little olive oil. Sea salt. And this is going to go into the oven for 30 minutes. And we're going to check the shallots every 10 minutes or so and give them a little stir, toss them around. And after 15 minutes, we're going to add the cherry tomatoes. We also have watercress and baby arugula, and we have some spinach here that we're going to be taking the watercress, the spinach, and the arugula and making a 3-way lettuce blend with the 3 of these and doing about 2.5 to 3 cups of lettuce. We're just washing everything right now, and then we're going to blend all this together for our lettuce blend. Top, we also have a pan here and some shelled walnuts. We are just going to be roasting some of the walnuts just right on the stove top. No need to add any oil or anything. We're just kind of giving them a nice little brown to the walnuts, and that's going to just add to the flavor of the salad. And Mandy helping us in the kitchen today. We're just opening up the oven real quick, and we're giving those shallots a nice stir. We've also got the walnuts started up here on the stove top.
Yum.
We've got our tomatoes here that we are going to half, and we're going to get those cherry tomatoes ready to put them in to the oven, start roasting those. And we've rinsed our lettuce blend of the arugula, spinach, and watercress. And we've got our tomatoes cut here, and they're ready to go. So we are going to put those on into the oven with the shallots, and we're going to let that continue roasting in the oven. Just adding the tomatoes right in there onto our baking sheet. And then we're just going to stir those tomatoes in with the shallots here. I like to add a little bit of cracked black pepper. Just crack some black pepper. And we're going to throw those back in and just let those roast. Now we've got our walnuts are roasting up nicely in our pan. I did add just a touch of olive oil, but we don't want to burn the nuts, so we're probably going to take them off the heat right now. These look just about where I want them to be. All right, so for our dressing, we're going to take some Dijon mustard. We shop a lot at Trader Joe's, so we like the Trader Joe's Dijon mustard. Be putting in some balsamic. So we have our Dijon mustard, our balsamic. We're gonna add some olive oil for our dressing. We're gonna add just a touch of salt. And we're gonna whisk this all together. Just a little bit more olive oil. And now we're going to be adding our washed lettuce mix here, just into a bowl. We're going to be adding our dressing in with the lettuce, and then we're going to be mixing that dressing just right into the lettuce. And now we are going to be adding our dressing just right in to this bowl with our lettuce. So now we have our greens that are tossed in our dressing. We're going to take some of our walnuts and we are going to throw those over the salad. Just like so. All right, and our shallot's about ready to go with our tomatoes. We're gonna go ahead and open the oven. And those are looking beautiful. And we are just gonna dish those shallots and tomatoes just right on to our salad here. And there you have it, my guy. We got our nice roasted shallot salad. Yum. This looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. Like, share, subscribe. Follow me on YouTube. Give me a shout out. Throw me a comment. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Peace.